wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My tongue is blue because I was eating Gushers, so my bad. But y'all see the title, y'all know what time it is. You guys want to know about the latest launches coming out? Let's go. I'm on my iPad today. Long story, but let's see. First thing I see here, is this the same one that I talked about, or she came out with a new one? But it says available now. Candied Fantasy from Britney Spears. Indulge in a fantasy of joy and delight with fragrance designed for the whimsical yet provocative and sophisticated woman like Britney who loves the sweet side of life. 1 ounce retails for $29.99. I don't see how much the 3.3 ounce retails for, but it says top notes, bubblegum delight, strawberry orange, middle notes, pink hibiscus, base notes, musk, sandalwood, pink velvet cupcake. I think this is the one that I talked about before. And you know, for my girl Britney, I would at least go smell it. The only thing that I fear is that it's giving that kind of like early 2000s cheap celebrity, just kind of like throw it out there perfume. But there were some celebrity perfumes around that time. They was hitting, okay? They had some bangers back then, but it was very like hit or miss. So that's the only thing that I'd be like, this could either go really, really well or it could go really, really wrong. But it's my girl Britney, so I would at least want to smell this. And $30? Baby, where is this available at? Did it say? I don't see where it's available. Oh, Amazon? Say less. I know that is not my shit, I just heard. New fragrance, Need for all Auntie Anne pretzel lovers. Each spritz evokes the experience of passing an Auntie Anne store and inhaling the nostalgic aroma of their pretzels. The new scent will make you think you're smothering yourself in a warm, freshly made pretzel. Notes of buttery dough, salt, and a hint of sweetness. 1 ounce retails for $25. 3.4 ounces retails for $45. Don't piss me off. Excuse me? Now, retail Shanine, that's the thing. Y'all be trying to work on the whole nostalgia, like tugging at people's heartstrings for these things. Retail Shanine, me and Auntie Anne went together like this, okay? The breaks, the 15-minute breaks that I would have, I was gonna get me some pretzels. And to this day, let me pass one. The pretzels that got the little hot dogs inside, I'll take 12. But do I want to smell like that? Please be oh so for real. Now the scent is very distinct. So for all of you out there who know Auntie Anne's, think of what it smells like. And then think of yourself, do you want to smell that way? Do you want to go to work and smell like that? What do I look like? The pretzel lady? I got everyone coming up over your cubicle. You got Auntie Anne. No, babes, that's me. My neck smells like pretzel. Like, what do the comments say? Because, is this an April Fool's joke? Someone said, can we get this in a candle? You know, I'm trying to figure. Someone said, I prefer Cinnabon. I could see that, but y'all let me know if that's a real thing, because I guess we just talking about new perfumes. Chateau de Marley, I've seen it. I smelled the pink one because everyone's always suggesting the pink one. She was right. Set to capture the daring style of the Chateau de Marley with its powerful floral, citrus, and musky scent profile, it is made to brace women's sense of individuality and sophistication. Housed in a see-through bottle tinted in a delicate violet color. Top notes mandarin, bergamot, and pear. Middle notes violet petal. Base notes musk and sandalwood. Coming soon. I would smell it. It sounds like it's going to be a good scent for the fall, so I would at least smell it. But I wasn't really impressed with the ones that I did smell from the brand, but I would still at least smell it. New House Tech Clear Cut Liquid Eyeliner is coming to Haus Labs. It took more than 2 years and rounds of samples so they could create a clean version that performs like top-selling liners in the market. They wanted to make sure it is long wear, waterproof, and transfer-proof while being clean. Do I see a price? Will be available August 24th on Sephora's app and houselabs.com. I don't think I see a price here. When Haus Labs launched, a lot of people were shocked that like they didn't launch with liners because, you know, Lady Gaga is very much so known for eyeliner. But I feel like this is probably going to be a very good product. Again, given who the creator is, like if it wasn't, I would actually be pretty like disappointed. So I would at least try it because, you know, Housewives, they make good products. See, let's see. Welcoming the blush era to the new Suede Powder Blush from Fenty Beauty. It's all about fun color, incredible texture, and high performance. Playing together, comes in rich blendable shades that pop on all tones. Retails for $34. Okay, here's the thing. I was at the mall and I walked into Sephora specifically to go see the blushes because they are new and, you know, I never miss a Fenty launch. I swatched them. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I wasn't that impressed by the swatches. I know I took a picture because I sent it to someone. If I still have the picture, I'll include it. The shades weren't giving on my hand, and they are very shimmery blushes. I saw someone say that they pair well together with the first blushes that they released, and the employee, when I walked in and I asked for the new Fenty blushes, they were like, the what? I'm like, the new Fenty blushes? The what? I'm like, am I not saying it loud enough? But they were messing with me and they were like, if you want them, they're over there in that direction. You know, it's kind of like, what's going on? But then I swatched them and I was like, oh, okay, I kind of understand why they were acting like that. Now, granted, I did not swatch it on my face, so it could perform differently if it swatches on my face. But after swatching them, it didn't make me want to walk out of the store with it. So I'm gonna swatch it I'm gonna purchase at least one at some point. I just don't know if I'm going to rush and do that, especially because I am backed up on the review videos and I'm starting to get the comments reminding me that there are products that y'all have been waiting for that I have not done videos for. So I just don't feel like this is when I need to rush to go review. New Boy Brow Arch from Glossier, a pomade pencil with a 2-in-1 custom tip to fill sharp and shape and define brows, precision edge for fine hair-like flicks, and a wider flat edge to fill in sparse areas for seamless shaping. Is that a price? It's available. I don't see a price, but available August 6th. I don't see a price, but it is available now. Their Boy Brow Gel was actually a really good gel, so I feel like the brow pencils would probably be really good as well. So would I try these? Yes, I would. Okay, I guess we are just on the perfume tip today, but you know, I love me a good scent, so I'm okay with that. Available now, new fragrance. Available now, new fragrance for dogs. Fifi from Dolce & Gabbana. Fragrance mist for dogs draws its inspiration from the love of Domenico Dolce's loyal companion Fifi, housed in a sleek green lacquered glass bottle adorned with a vibrant red metal cap and a precious 24-karat gold-plated paw. How much does this retail for? That looks like 99 pounds, I think. Top notes, warm notes of ylang ylang, heart notes, touch of musk, base notes, woody, creamy undertones of sandalwood. Safe Pet Cosmetics certified, approved by vets. I don't have dogs. I've never heard anyone that has a dog say anything about, you know, perfumes for dogs. So I don't know if that's a thing. I don't know if it's a popular thing, a common thing. If you have a dog and you would like to purchase, I wonder if Drea knows about this. Go ahead and get my sister Riley a little perfume. Again, let me see what the comments are saying. First comment I see, dogs do not need no perfume. A good bath is all it takes. The irony is D&G isn't cruelty-free. People are clearly out of ideas lately, but tested on other animals. I personally think dogs shouldn't be sprayed with perfume. Stop treating dogs like children, people. See, you know, I need to know when to stay in your lane. I ain't got no dog, but it just sounded like... We're just gonna keep scrolling. Ooh, what is this? Hold on. New Forever 24-Hour Skin Contour Stick Sculpting and Bronzing Face Stick from Dior. A creamy, hydrating, and long-wearing contour stick that blends effortlessly, enhancing your complexion with a natural-looking sculpted bronze effect for up to 24 hours. $47 for a contour stick, but it's Dior. How many shades? 4 shades? What's that? That darkest shade it swatches deep. Dior be making good complexion products. The reason I can't do a lot of Dior complexion products is because they put a lot of fragrance in their products. So it's very hit or miss for me when I do try their products. Sometimes it won't have fragrance, sometimes it will. I am intrigued though on this one. But not looking at the deepest shade, looking at the light shade and the medium shade. You know, contours are definitely supposed to be a little cooler. But am I the one seeing just a little like gray-ish, kinda, in those shades? Y'all let me know. I'm gonna scroll on though. Another fragrance, okay. Heavy Cream from Fleur, a milky impression of decadent sweetness, playful, sugary, yet irresistibly elevated. A swirl of whipped gourmand comes alive with bright citrus and luminous florals, sweet and silky. 8 ounces retails for $38, 3 ounces retails for $24. Top note, lemon sugar, heart, jasmine blossom, base vanilla mousse. I'm intrigued, especially after I tried that, what is it, commodity milk fragrance earlier this year. I really like that one. So if this is kind of giving like that vibe, I would probably really like this one. And this might be my first like Fleur purchase. The descriptions got me. I would at least smell it, but I feel like this would probably be my first Fleur purchase. Me scrolling and seeing a post say holiday 2024 as I sit here and scroll the flaps of this wig off of my head is crazy. Okay, please. I am trying to make it out of this summer and y'all already talking about holiday. Okay, I got nobody's gift. Everybody's Christmas gift is still at the store. So can everyone please relax, okay? But it's almost that time again, holiday 2024. Here we go, new Gold Winter Blossom Holiday Collection from YSL. I'm seeing lipsticks. I'm seeing probably new packaging for Libre. Yeah, some other little products. The lipsticks, they have me looking at them a little bit, and the Libre, that is one of my favorite fragrances. So if you haven't had it and you know you like the packaging, especially for the holidays, is that a tissue box holder that I'm looking at? Oh no, that looks like an ornament. I had to zoom in. An advent calendar. I might check out some of this around the holidays. Ciao. Here is the full info about the new hair care beauty brand Blake Brown Beauty by Blake Lively. I spent 7 years creating personally testing every element of this collection. The concept of Blake Brown is simple. Love your hair well and it will love you well. I switched exclusively to a shampoo and mask system 20 years ago and have never looked back. I'm gonna keep scrolling. Ooh, baby, when I tell you these blushes from Rhode Beauty, the new Shade Pocket Blush in Sprinkles is dropping from Rhode. On the go cream blush wakes up cheeks and lips with a satiny, diffused flush that melts on smoothly and stays all day. It's a lightweight formula that hydrates skin for baby soft cheeks and leaves a glowy finish without a greasy feel. Fragrance free. Retails for $24. So Gloria on TikTok, she is of a deeper complexion. She swatched them. She was like, maybe this is not giving for deeper complexions. And of course the gaslighting started of you're using it wrong. Well, do you have to be included in everything? And honestly, when people start acting like that, even if it's not the brand that's acting like that, it just makes me not want to try it, because honestly, truly, y'all can go to hell. But I've never tried anything from Rhode. I have seen some deeper complexions try it and it does work for them, but again, like I said, once I'm turned off, it's like so will I probably try it at some point, maybe see if it works on my skin tone, but I'm gonna rush do that now. Okay, another fragrance. Y'all playing with these fragrances, okay? I get excited when I see it, then I'll be reading what the description is and y'all trying to sell me spaghetti dinner. Afternoon Delight from Replica, warm and sweet gourmand, captures the memory of delectable self-indulgences, transport you to a Parisian cafe where the uplifting aroma of warm pastries and sugar fills the air. 3.4 ounces is $165, 1 ounce is $85, 0.34 ounce is $35. Replica fragrances, I like the fact that they're usually very spot on. Okay, if they tell you it's going to smell like a bubble bath, it's gonna smell like a bubble bath. If they tell you it's going to smell like gym socks, it's gonna smell like gym socks. So Afternoon Delight, warm and sweet Paris cafe, I would have to smell it to give you my thoughts on it, but I am intrigued on that one. Okay, let's do like one or two more. Okay, another fragrance. Oh no, hair and body perfume mist collection from Lug Shack Fancy. I feel like one day this brand just kind of like popped up on Sephora, and then I just started seeing people talking about it. But it includes 3 scents: Sugar Blush, Velvet Sun, Berry Kiss. I have actually smelled other fragrances from them at Sephora, and So it never really made me want to try any of the other fragrances that they have. Berry Kiss, Velvet, like the descriptions sound like what I would want to smell like. But then when I go smell them in store, it's giving grandma. Okay, and let's just stop it here because we love a good throwback. So look who's back, the OG Naked eyeshadow palette. I saw Tasha do a video with it, using it the other day. I was like, oh, it's back. From Urban Decay, back by popular demand with limited quantities. The iconic 12 neutral eyeshadows in ultra smooth mattes, glimmering metallics, stunning shimmers, and velvety satins retails for $59 dual hairs. So that is back if you guys ever had it, you know, had to declutter it because like it was just old and grimy, all that stuff. It is back in stores. Naked palettes, I feel like for me it depended on which Naked palette it was, because sometimes like Naked was Heat, baby, that's what they need to bring back. Okay, that one on my skin tone. This one is a very like neutral everyday eyeshadow palette, so if you need it for work, school, just, you know, your regular, if you do a pretty like natural beat whenever you wear makeup, stuff like that, you'll probably like this palette. But that's what I want them to bring back. Urban Decay, if you see this, bring back Naked Heat. Okay, thank you. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. A lot of perfume. This video was something. It was something, because y'all was making me cuss y'all out in this video, and I hate when y'all make me have to do that. But I saw some things, you know, that I'm like, okay, I'm intrigued. I want to go smell it, and some things I just need y'all to stop playing in my face. Okay, so those are some of the new launches that are coming out that you can look forward to. Let me know if there's anything that I did not mention that you would like me to make a video on in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.